So this video we're going to go over some of the things we did to clean the plane. It was pretty dirty. We had been flying it for a while and hadn't really given it a good cleaning. Now, I'm going to start off by saying that the paint on this plane is not great. I don't know if there's, if they put on a little bit of a clear coat when they painted it. It's obviously been painted again since it was original. We decided to clean up a bit. You saw me in there. I was wiping furniture polish on there because on the leading edges. But these are some of the things that the line people usually put on there to clean the windows. We used this sprayer, this foam sprayer. You see this on Facebook. It worked okay. It wasn't great. Maybe it needs to be dialed in a bit. Miles was really into it. He refused to let me do it myself. He wanted to be a part of everything.
Let me, Daddy. Let me.
Oh,
yeah.
Here.
Let me, Daddy. Let me. That want me. That want me. That want me. No, Daddy.
You see not a whole lot's coming out of it, but you can dial in and get a little more, and that's exactly what I was doing. We decided, hey, let's give this a good wash. Usually the line people do it, and I just wanted to kind of get a little more familiarity and wash it myself. And I had some people do it, so Tatiana and Miles were helping me with it, so we gave this guy a good scrubbing. One thing you do when you wash a plane is you gotta make sure you don't wash it too hard. You don't wanna wash it with a pressure washer because you can get water inside the seams and get water trapped in there, which can cause corrosion, which is a big no-no.
Gotta push the bed, Daddy. Gotta push the bed.
Yeah, water got inside. You can help me by giving me slack. We just taxied it over to the FBO and hooked up some water and sprayed something down. I had seen something about using a soap with a built-in wax. So if you guys have some better ideas about what I can do in this plane, because like I said, the paint is it's probably a 4 out of 10. Yeah, I call it maybe a 5 out of 10. But it's just not really smooth and how you really want a plane. And so I'm considering maybe if I need to put in some rubbing compound and just kind of go over it and then put in some polish. And I'm not really sure because like I said, I don't know if they painted it, if they actually put a clear coat on it, which from my understanding, when you're polishing a clear coat. Hey Mom, ready scrubby? Hey, let go. Good job. Okay. Assisting. Okay.
I want it.
So you go underneath it. Get it all underneath it, okay?
Get on it.
Good job. Good job. Okay, big word. Oh, this whole thing. I didn't get a creeper. I have a creeper. I didn't bring it out there to be able to get underneath. I didn't really want to get wet because it was actually a little bit of a cooler day. So I was trying not to get wet.
Turn, Miles, turn. Yeah. Yes. Okay, guys, I wanna tell you just easy formula how to wash your airplane. You take all washing stuff, equipment. You take water hose, very important moment. You take a little boy who loves play with the water, get dirty, splash everywhere, everything. And you take one wife who don't clean everything but make lots of advice and good video.
Let me go,
You get the bottom of the wing. All the bottom of the wing. Whole wing. All the bottom. Okay? Get all the white stuff off. Can't have any soap on it, Miles. The undersides of the plane, lots of times, they'll tend to get really oily because your exhaust. I find with my plane, if I put anything more than 6 quarts in it, if I put 7 quarts, I lose a quart on the underside. So the underside tends to get really grimy and oily, so that's a good spot to get in there. So you'll see later we scrub it down pretty well. wash the airplane. He hosed it down, and I was like, Miles, no, you gotta do the other side, not that side. So you can see Miles is totally into it. He likes to work and likes to help out. So as kids do. So we like to let him do that, and you know he does a good job. It's not just wasted time with him. One of the things about keeping your plane clean is that it will actually help your plane go faster. I figured I've had it for a couple years. It's time to give it a good, wash, and then I'm actually in the middle of giving it a bit of a polish and rubbing down some rubbing compound. So. Okay, Miles, that's good. Yeah, it's good. Now
Daddy, help me. Daddy, help me.
On this time, I just I had some car wax. I'm trying to get some shine out of that red area, and it's pretty flat. I don't know if they use a kind of a flat paint, or if I just need to like scrub it with some rubbing compound, get it a little more. So there he goes. There he is. Yeah. And he's got the polisher. So I messed around with this a little bit, and Miles, of course, had to pick it up. He's a boy. Yeah, but he had a good time. There's his tongue. His little concentrating tongue.
Just turn it.
Mm-hmm.
Turn it the way.
Careful. Not floor, not floor.
No, don't put it on the floor. That will get it dirty and scratchy.
Okay, Miles.
Is it heavy, Miles? You need to give it to me?
Yes.
Beautiful night. It was a great time. Appreciate you guys watching, but this is Grant signing out.
Well, after such a working day, we can little rest and enjoy beautiful sunset in the airport's field and watching airplanes and all these colors. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thumbs up if you like it, subscribe, if you have questions write it, Grant will answer.